Step 1, wake up, brother, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yep. Good morning to everybody. It's about 6:04 in the morning here at Wild Ass Farm. And it's cold. It's 15 degrees. Headlamp. Always got to have the headlamp. You never know what you're going to see, look at, whatever. I don't generally have it on during the day, though. But it's not quite day. So we'll keep her with us. Chore time happens actually pretty early here. For me, because I've got two little girls and I try to get everything done, big time done, before they even get out of bed. The reality is we have big animals and they're little kids. And yes, they do have responsibilities here, but not with the really big ones. I'm checking on cows and talking about lambs, checking on them. We're getting a new addition today. We are getting a ram lamb, for our big ewes, coming from a friend. She's got some really awesome registered Suffolk stock. So, yep, we're gonna go get ourselves a baby today. Add to the menagerie. This is Jade's calf, not Jade behind her or to the side of her, but Jade is here. She's keeping an incredibly close eye on me. Give a little look-see in the barn. Rocket's mad because her baby won't wake up. He's camped out. He's the one with the yellow ear tag. And then you have Luna's calf, which is the 213, and Dipstick's calf, which is the 201. Everything that has a red tag is a girl, and everything that has a yellow tag is a boy. So right now we're really heifer heavy, so really girl heavy. Look at her. She's like, get your butt up, you lazy SOB. He's like, got good dreams here, guys. Good dreams. Oh, you tell him, Rocket. Ooh, he's kicking. I don't like that. Kicking. Going crazy in there. Going crazy in there, Greta. Squished. I'm squished. It says I'm squished. So she's technically due, I believe, on the 8th. So Saturday. And we'll see what happens. She's chewing her cud. So right now. And because she's laying down, she looks very, very full. In both her udder and everywhere else. You're really full in your udder? Oh, but it's so tight. So she's got these little ridges right here on her teeth. And her teeth end on this one is fairly full. But she's laying down, it probably is, because she's putting a lot of pressure on this end. Is it going to be a bull calf, or is it going to be a heifer calf? Do you know? Do you know? How do you feel? Oh my goodness. Pretty good indication on cows on where they stand for when they're going to have babies. Their back end actually held. My terminology for that, because I don't really have good terminology for it, is like they just get really loose in the back end. So then, things can come out the way they're supposed to come out. But yeah, so she'll calve what she calves. Like I said, her date is on Saturday, on the 8th, and we will see from there. What do you think? You gonna make it there? Not gonna make it there? Junie? That's a big stretch. Should go check out some other things and leave you to ruminate. Ruminate. Yeah, there's a big boss cow. Oh, big boss cow. Boss cow. Right up his rooster. Good girl. Oh my goodness. Good morning, Nugget. How are you? Nugget has made it from the garage back to outside. However, she does not roost with her friends in the chicken coop. She roosts in the barn. Don't you? You should be really glad I like you. Yes. Uh-huh. Nugget's actually a pretty cool chicken. Aren't ya? So since we're checking cows, we might as well visit the other remnants. This is Betty. Betty is due on the 1st of May. Aren't you? Yes, you are. Betty is a Shetland Baby Doll Southdown Cross. And that's Maddox in the background. And then you got these little shavers. That's Who over there. Hi, how are you? Hi. And Miss Tiana. Tiana. Not the best lighting for you, Miss Tiana. She's gonna eat me. Don't eat my camera, please. Don't eat my camera, please. Tiana. This is Who's mom. Yeah. Tiana. She's such a good girl, aren't you? She's the boss in this pen. The boss. Sometimes I think over me too. But these little babies, don't do that. Don't do that. But these little babies are getting big. Leroy and Sunny Side Up and Who and her little brother are getting very, very, very big. I'm going to try to get a weight on these guys. I'm going to try to get a weight. I'm going to try to get a weight on these guys as soon as I can. I have to figure out a way to do that. Because the little harness I have, they don't fit in anymore. Because they got big. So we'll figure something out. Oh, Scarlet. Oh, Scarlet. Oh, Scarlet. Oh, my goodness. You're such a boss. You're such a boss. Oh, hello. Hello. You ever feel like you're getting picked on? Oh, my goodness. The ruminants, I tell you. They're so eager to be a part of your life. Hello, Luna. Yeah. So eager. She says, just let go of the camera and just scratch me. Yeah. Just scratch me. I try to set you down somewhere where we're not going to get eaten. It's kind of, oh, come on. Nope. Come on. Recording with sheep is kind of like recording with pigs. You never know when your things are going to get taken from you or stolen from you or whatever. They just want it to go all the time. They want to eat it. Everything is edible. Not you. No, no, no. It's not edible. It's not edible. Go with me. Go. Oh, and you just want to scratch. You just want a good old scratch. A good old scratch. Tiana. Oh, my goodness gracious. Oh. One day she's gonna just push me straight over. What do you think? What do you think? Tiana is such a good girl. Yes, you are. Oh, yeah. And a love bug. So I love the fact that they are so tame. It makes working with them a bunch easier. Hello. That's her little ram lamb. This one's ram lamb. And then right there is her ewe lamb. You know, everybody's got to get a piece too. So if mom's up here, she thinks that everything is great. Oh, yeah. I was trying to get kind of like a overall view of you guys, and you're just monopolizing everything. Do you know this? Yes, and you just burped in my ear. That was very attractive. You know, if I was a sheep, I probably would be so into that. But I'm not. It's kind of rude. But I still like you. Yeah, I still like you. You're such a good girl. Such a good girl. Oh my goodness. So Tiana, Scarlett, and Luna are all, you are Hampshire Suffolks. And then their babies are also Hampshire Suffolks. So that kind of promotes a nice big body. This is a ewe lamb. And she was born late February. So she's about 2 weeks behind the big boys that are over here somewhere. Where are the big boys? Let's go find the big boys. Let's go find the big boys. Let's go find the big boys. Where are the big boys? Hello, Scarlett. This is Scarlett. She's like a giraffe. She's huge. Here are the big boys. That one that's standing up, that one is Leroy. And then the one that's laying down is Sunnyside. I mean, these guys are, they're big lambs. Look at the bum on them things. That's some big bums. Just a little bit of a bird's eye view for these two because you get a better view that way. This loud one right here, she's actually a ewe lamb. I had to do some fortifying because this girl can jump. This is the ram lamb that we were getting yesterday. He doesn't have a name yet, but he will have one. And then the ewe lamb is for my niece for 4-H. These are pretty awesome, stout-looking little suckers. Their birthdays are that one is 2/23, and that one I think is 2/19, or something like that. But yeah, nice looking sheep. I mean, the lady that I got them from, she does a phenomenal job with her sheep. I actually have them in with Maddox right now. Well, for one, the ram can't be bred, and then she's just a little bit too young. But for calming and I guess you could say taming purposes, because Maddox is super friendly, and so it actually helps mellow out everybody. They actually got weaned yesterday. It's not exactly the way I wanted it to go, but so they're a little bit more jumpy and hinky than maybe they should be. But it'll all work out. Maddox is going to be their friend, hopefully. He's a little bit more food motivated right now than friend motivated. But yeah, that's our new boy. He's a stout looking sucker, and actually he's pretty friendly. This ewe lamb is going to take a little bit of taming down, so Kayla, I hope you're up for the challenge. But she should come around pretty easily. Honestly, I don't think that it's going to be that big of a problem. Nice body looking sheep though. Thanks for hanging out today, guys. It was a little bit of a hodgepodge video, but checking on the ruminants, checking on the critters isn't always the script. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to do my best to keep you guys posted on the upcoming events like grey duck calving, the rest of the calves that come along, and also keep a bird's eye view on our new little critter, that little ram lamb. I'm doing my best to post every Monday and Friday for videos to keep up to date of what goes on here at Wild Ass Farm. So until next time, we'll check you later. Have a great day.
I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.